Guys, good morning. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, The Explicit Tutorials, and this is part 2 or segment 2 of exam likely questions on Phylum Coelenterata. If you know you have not watched the part 1 or the segment 1 of Phylum Coelenterata, I will advise you do so. As you are watching, subscribe so that when I upload a new video or a new content, you will be notified by YouTube. Let's get started. Hydra and Obelia belong to which of these classes? They belong to class Hydrozoa. Just as the name implies, Hydra. Hydra and Obelia belong to class Hydrozoa, which is what? Option B. Number 2, sea wasps belong to which of these classes? Sea wasps belong to which of these classes? They belong to class Cupozoa. Sea wasps are examples of what? Organisms under class Cupozoa. So there's a mistake here. It ought to have been option A, B, and C. Alright, so just take note of just the answer Cupozoa. Sea anemones and corals belong to which of these classes? Sea anemones and corals belongs to which of these classes? They belong to class Anthozoa. Sea anemones and corals belong to class Anthozoa. Alright, in our previous class I did establish that there are different diversities of anthozoans. All right, we have the gorgonians, we have the Aesyonium. All right, we now also have what is called the Pennatula. They are all diversity of anthozoans. The sea urchins and corals belong to class Anthozoa. Number 4, Aurelia belongs to which of these classes? Aurelia belongs to class Kyphozoa, which is what? Option B. Aurelia belongs to class Scyphozoa. Number 5, which of these classes is the most primitive? Which of these classes is the most primitive? All right, it is class Hydrozoa. Class Hydrozoa is the most primitive of all the 4 classes of what? Phylum Coelenterata. Take note of that. Number 6, right? Yeah, number 6. Hydrozoans differ from other cnidarians in the following ways, except Hydrozoans differ from other cnidarians in the following ways, except A. The absence of nematocyst, B. Cellular nature of the mesoglea, C. Absence of septa and filament in the enteron, D. Excretion and respiration is by diffusion. So if you observed in question 1 to 5, I did answer them by using small letters. Look at option, you have number 5, B is small letter, number 4, B, number 3, A, number 2, D, number 1, B. Then as from 6 downwards, I decided not to, because I want to rack your brain. So which of them do you think is actually which of the options do you think the hydrozoans are differ from other coelenterate or from other cnidarians? Please, the answer is So what do you think the answer is? I think you drop it on the comment section. Okay, the answer is excretion and respiration is by diffusion, because other members of cnidarians also exhibit this feature. Excretion and respiration is by diffusion because all of them do not have excretory and what? Respiratory organ. Therefore, option D is common to all of them. So D is the first, is the one that is except. All right, others are correct. A, B, and C are correct. Number 7, which of these is false? I did not answer it. Hydra are exclusively polypoid, that is, they exhibit polymorphism. B, the most primitive hydrozoan Trachylinas are exclusively medusoid. C. Solitary forms are either polyp or medusa. D. Polymerization is the characteristic feature of hydrozoans. E. None of the above. Which of these is false? Could it be option E, none of the above, or one of the options is false about hydrozoa? Because of these features here, they are under class hydrozoa. Alright, so should we go for C? Solitary forms are either polyp or medusa. The answer is what? E. None of the above. It therefore means that all are true. Option A, B, C, and D are true about class hydrozoa. The most primitive class is hydrozoa, and that is the most primitive. Yes, the most primitive class is hydrozoa, right? All of the hydrozoans, Trachinella, are exclusively what? Medusoid, and hydra are exclusively what? Polypoid. The answer is what? None of the above, which means all of the above are correct. Number 8. Which of these is false about hydrozoans? The colonial forms are both polyp and medusa. B. Most hydrozoans occur in marine. C. Few hydrozoans occur in fresh water. D. They lack stomodium. And E. None of the above. Which of them is false? Do we have anyone that is false among these options? The answer is what? C. Few hydrozoans occur in fresh water. Please and please, I beg you in God's name, do not do that. All right. Few hydrozoans occur in fresh water, so it is very, very correct. The answer is none of the above. Okay. Most of that is few species of hydrozoans are found in freshwater. Most of them are found in marine. The colonial forms are both polyp and medusa, or they are either medusa or polyp. All right. Please, they also lack stomodium. The answer is what? None of the above. Please. Number 9. The hydromedusa has dash, which is shell-like structure used in swimming. This hydromedusa also possesses statocyst, which is for balanced, and also a nerve ring. The hydromedusa possesses Phylum, which is shell-like structure used for swimming. They also possess nerve ring and statocyst for what? Balancing. So the answer is what? B. Please and please master the answers to these questions, because on the day of your exam you are going to see these questions. Subscribe so that when I upload new content you will be notified by YouTube. Do have a wonderful day.